show menu bar. This is your menu bar. Dimension. The content of dimension, there are so many of them. The first one is quick dimension, linear, aligned, arc length, ordinate, radius, chalk, diameter, angular. We're going to treat the basic ones, and that's what we're going to limit ourselves with. And we're also going to go to the extent of, editing and making, perfecting your dimension from the dimension style perspective. But the first thing I'm going to do that with a sketch of a rectangle containing why is this not on? You don't know how to put this on? You know, okay. I always do that when you start the drawing. Good. Dimension. You click the object to dimension. You right click and drag it out. We're not seeing the dimension. Yes, correct. We need to go in there and set it. Then let's go to, after that you have align. To use align dimension, you click your first point and second point. You drag it out, click your position to position your text. After that you have align. How do you use align? When you have a line in an angular drawn at an angle, and you want your dimension to be in alignment with that line, yeah, right? Yeah. Then you go to dimension, align. It says first point. You must always look at the instruction AutoCAD is giving you. Say down align, specify second extension line origin. Say this is extension line origin. Second one. You drag out or in, as the case may be, you click. These are dimensions. Then after that is your arc length. For example, you have this arc and you want to measure the length. You click the line, you drag it out. Are you with me? Then after that, you go to radius. Don't mind whether I'm jumping is unnecessary. You click the arc, you go radius, you drag it out. You're not seeing all the dimension, but for us to see and appreciate what we're doing, you need to write down this. So, let me use the word, you engineer your text and related parameters. You go into dimension, from dimension to quick. Go to dimension on menu bar, click dimension style, click modify. From menu bar, click dimension to dimension style to modify. There are three things to modify here. Of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 parameters to modify here. The first thing you modify is your text height, and you confirm the text is appropriate to your drawing. For this we have what? 0.18. Let me give it like 10 and check what the dimension will look like on the drawing. If I'm comfortable with the text height, I can use that as a basis for setting other parameters that I'm supposed to assign figures or values as the case may be. Let's check what 10 will give us. Is this okay?
Yes.
You okay with this? If you're okay, you go back to it, dimension. Wow. Mommy. Read the value. Dimension style. How many to go? Yes. No problem. No, leave them. No. Modify. Now, line. What are the figures, parameters to be set? Look at this. 0.18. Every figure you're setting must be a function of your text. They must not be bigger than your text. No value must be bigger than your text. Half of your text value, 3/4 of your text value, 1/4 of your text value, exact value with your text, but nothing bigger than it. So you check on the offset from origin. That's how close your dimension line or your extension line is to the main drawing. Main drawing is this down. Let's put where what did you put the 10, right? Is it 10 for the text? Let's put 5. Enter. You can see that my extension line has shifted from the body of the drawing by 5. So what other parameters do we have there? Extend beyond dimension line. Let me give it 4. Not necessarily long extension. Can you see it coming out a bit? Then already done that, that's on lines. Are you with me?
Yes.
Let me now go to symbols and arrow. That's the second parameter to be modified. Arrow size is 0.8. It has to be as close in value to your text height. Let's say we have a text height of 8. Let me give that arrow size of 10. Let me give that arrow size of 8. You see, this thing will be showing that I'm okay. It will be showing it on this preview section. Okay. After that, any other parameter to set, leave those ones. I go to text again. Under text, what else do I have? Offset from dimension line. This shows how close the text is to your dimension line. I'll also change this one to like, let me put, I can say I don't want it centered like it is here. I say outside. Or I say above. But outside is better for me. I now say align with dimensions. I say align with the dimension is like this, it will be vertical with the dimension line. So, so let me align with it. I told you it cannot be stable with the slanting of this table. You're only gambling. Okay? Can you see it's aligning with the dimension line now? Yes. Then go to primary unit. You can see it giving 4 decimal places. It's because this thing is on 0.000. Now we change it to just 0 for non-decimal places or 0.0 for 1 decimal places. So let's leave it as 0, no decimal places. Alternate units. If you click here, if you are working in millimeter, it will give you alternate in inches and feet. If you are working in feet, it gives you alternate unit in millimeter and meter, as the case may be. You don't use it most of the time. It makes the drawing look awkward and populate the drawing unnecessarily. Tolerance, not necessarily, the method is none. But sometimes you may want to put the symmetrical value or you want to put the deviation plus or minus, depending on the nature of the drawing. Let's leave the thing that none. Say okay. Having done that, I click OK, I click close, and here are my. Did you write everything down? Oh yeah, right. Read what you wrote.
For main menu dimension. From dimension to dimension style, from dimension style to modify.
That's what you wrote.
Yes.
You did not write how to. Okay, you know what to change now when you get there.
Yes.
Modify, then after modify, then how do you use this then? Then modify the line. Modify the line. Okay. Then modify the line, symbols and arrows, text, feet, primary unit, alternate unit, and tolerance as relevant. I'll be as appropriate. You understand? You have each thing to approve. So, line has come to modify. But note, ND, your text height, all parameters must be modified based on your acceptable text height. Based on your acceptable text height. No value must be more than your text height. And you must be sure that your text height is not bigger or more bogus than your real drawing. You understand? Your text must not consume your drawing. Your arrow must not be bigger than your text. Do you get me? When you finish modifying everything, click OK. Click close. That's all. Next